Hi, I'm Jeff Burton, General Manager, German Motors Collision Center here in San Francisco. Let's take a look at what we do back here. This is our stacker area. We have 60 stackers. We store all of our vehicles indoors, secure and out of the elements. We're the largest collision center in the Bay Area. We repair all makes, all models. This is where we receive all of our tow-ins. We like to give the tow driver a lot of room to properly and safely unload the vehicle. And we're making our way this way to our mechanical department. We're one of the few body shops in the Bay Area that is able to perform all the mechanical repairs on site. We have our own alignment rack, we have 5 mechanics on staff, we also do all of our own tire work, including run flat tire and road force balancing. These two machines are literally the finest machines money can buy for doing this type of work. The cars we fix have low profile tires. They require sometimes 2 technicians in order to properly change a run flat tire. With this machine, we're able to change it with 1 technician. Then he's able to come over here. A standard balancer is a dynamic balancer. This one does that. It also has a rolling drum, which is able to check the road force to ensure a velvety drive. Now we're going to go to the main body shop area. This is our body repair area. All the vehicles come here for triage, where they get disassembled, and an estimator review the damage, go over the damage with a technician, make a proper repair plan, and then get the parts ordered. Let's go over to the paint department. All of our people dry sand. We don't do any wet sanding here. All of our materials are waterborne materials, and so by dry sanding, we reduce the risk of contaminating the paint once it gets into the paint booth. This is a prepped vehicle, which is now being masked. So the technician follows a repair order. He knows exactly what's being painted in what fashion. This particular car is being painted with the door off. The benefit of that is we're not going to have a line here. Other collision centers would put the door on and have this line. We want it as close to factory as possible, so we paint it with the door off. This is one of our paint booths made by Nova Verda. It's one of the finest booths money can buy. Our technician is checking the color of his base coat using an artificial sunlight device. He checks it versus paint chips to make sure the color is exactly right before he puts clear coat on. We try to keep this area as dust-free as possible. We do so by keeping this high-speed door closed. Once the parts or the cars are painted, we go this way to the reassembly area. Cars that are painted come in here, they get dispersed to the necessary teams. Technicians are able to reassemble the cars. This is where we receive all of our parts. We let parts drivers double park out here away from our customer area. That way they have a safe environment to bring the parts in, and one of our parts people can check it in for them. This is the frame equipment we use. It's called Solette. It's from France. It's a dedicated fixture bench. What we do is we have a map. It's a pictogram. It tells us exactly where the control points of the vehicle are. We set the vehicle on using these fixtures. It ensures that the control points are exactly in the right spot. Then we're able to do our polling, then cut the damaged panels off and weld the new panel on. This is an area we use to repair vehicles that are aluminum. We keep these curtains drawn to prevent cross-contamination between steel vehicles and aluminum panels. If steel comes in contact with bare aluminum, you get galvanic corrosion, so we have to keep the aluminum vehicles separate. When the cars have been fully assembled and quality checked, they come to the detail department. Over here, we have 15 technicians that work on removing all evidence of the repair. Any type of dust from body filler, dust from primer, handprints, anything of that nature is removed by us. In the interest of preserving water, we make it as efficient as possible. 2 guys for every car, as quick as possible. Washed here indoors, and then detailed under these lights on this side before it's brought up front for delivery. We have receptionists that can handle all your needs and refer you to our customer service representative that'll actually check your vehicle in and then deliver your vehicle once it's finished. Right this way. This is Rachel's office. She's a customer service representative here. She will help you check your vehicle in, help you get into your rental car, and once your vehicle's done, she'll make sure that everything's all right and help you get back into your vehicle. Let's go outside. We'll wrap this up. Here at German Motors Collision Center, we have a vehicle charging station on site. As far as we know, we're the only ones in the Bay Area with vehicle charging on site. We like to deliver it back to our customers fully charged. Here at German Motors Collision Center, we take pride in what we do. Come on by and see us. We'd love to help you. Thanks for watching.